So last day we did preparation of accounting equations. So we did many problems. So today also we will continue the same. Okay. Basil, turn on your video. Question number 6. You have to write along with me. Accounting equation. Question number 6. Accounting equation. Column will be transaction, assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. So first, Udit started business with cash and with goods. So normally we did the problem like started business with the cash. Here what is changed? Started business with the cash. So first one, started business with the cash and goods. Means we know that what do you by capital? Amount, money or money's worth invested by the owner into the business is known as capital. So here he brought cash and capital. He brought cash and capital. Okay, so both are capital. So what do you have to write? Cash cash 5 lakh plus goods 1 lakh is equal to capital. Any doubts? Whatever starting time, if any investment is there, cash, goods, building, machinery, anything is there, that we have to, that will be the capital. So cash, goods is equal to capital. Okay, if it is machinery plus machinery, if it is building plus building. Okay, that is the difference. Any doubts? Anyone? So second one, purchased goods for cash. Purchased goods for cash. Purchased goods for cash. Rupees 2 lakh.
Sir, goods plus cash minus.
Very good, Shubham Pal. Minus 2 lakh. Okay, that is cash plus 2 lakh.
Goods.
Goods is equal to 0. Next, purchased goods from Himani. Purchased goods from Himani, Pavitra. Purchased goods from Himani. Amount is 50,000. Pavitra. Purchased goods from Himani. Aditya, you try. Purchased goods from Himani. 50,000. Purchased goods from Himani.
Minus 50,000.
Here, whether it is a cash purchase or credit purchase,
Credit purchase.
okay, credit purchase. So if it is a credit purchase, it won't affect cash. So cash, no change. We purchased goods. So amount will be, goods will be 50,000. So Himani is our asset or liability?
Liability.
Liability. So 50,000 creditor. Next, fourth one. Sold goods to Ashu costing rupees 25,000 for rupees 36,000. Anat, you tell. Sold goods to Ashu costing 25,000 for rupees 30,000. Whether it is cash sale or credit sale, Anat. Sold goods to Ashu.
Sir, goods
Yeah.
minus
Goods
minus
amount.
20
Yes, 25,000. Then
and profit
profited. Okay, profit
11,000.
11,000. Then Anat, goods minus. Then Ashu is what?
Cash plus.
No, Shubham, you keep quiet. Anat, tell Ashu.
Ashu is
Tell asset or liability? Asset. So debtor or creditor? Anat, debtor or creditor?
better.
Debtor. Okay. Shubham, now it is clear now? Okay, minus goods plus debtor is equal to 11,000. So if it is cash, then cash plus cash, otherwise plus debtor. Okay, 36,000. So next, fifth one. Paid insurance. Paid insurance. Paid insurance. Paid insurance. Hanna. Amount is 3,000. Paid insurance.
Cash minus.
Very good. Cash minus. Then
Capital minus.
very good. Capital minus. Next, rent outstanding. Rent outstanding. Rent outstanding. Rupees 5,000. Rent outstanding. Karthik. Rent outstanding.
Sir, cash.
Outstanding rent means still we didn't pay that this one. Outstanding
Okay.
expense. Outstanding
Liability,
liability 5,000. Then
5,000.
then
Cash, 5,000.
no cash because we didn't pay. Still we didn't pay
Oh.
that amount. That is outstanding expense. It is a liability, correct? Means outstanding expense. Liability. Then anyone? Aparna?
Sir, capital minus 5,000.
Yes, correct. Capital minus. If any expense is there, we have to deduct from capital because we are following accrual basis. So current year expense is, so that we have to include. Total expense we have to include. Okay. So next, depreciation on building. Depreciation on building. Depreciation on building. Depreciation on building. Asset depreciation 8,000. Anjo. Depreciation on building 8,000. So asset
Money spent on building.
asset building plus or minus
Plus.
depreciation means Shubham decrease in the value of asset due to constant use. Decrease in the value of asset due to constant use. So asset plus or minus building. Tell.
Minus.
Minus. Very good. So minus 8,000 because it is a building. Minus it is a loss. So you have to deduct from capital. Any doubts? Depreciation on building. Next one. Cash withdrawn for personal use. Cash withdrawn for personal use. Eighth one. Cash withdrawn for personal use. Withdrawn for personal use. Cash withdrawn for personal use. Atul.
Sir, minus cash.
Minus 20,000, I think. Minus 20,000 cash.
Cash.
Then
Capital. Minus capital.
correct. Next, rent received in advance. rent received in advance. Rent received in advance. Tomlin. Rent received in advance. Think income received in advance. If it is adjustment, you have to look whether it is asset or liability.
Sir, liability.
Very good. So, rent received in advance liability, that is correct, 5,000. It is received. It is received. So,
Cash.
cash. Okay, 5,000 is equal to 5,000 cash. Then income received in advance, one liability. Income received in advance. That is the liability. Okay, rent received in advance, we received, so cash, then it is a liability. Next, 10th one, cash paid to Himani on account. Only they given on account. No full settlement. If full settlement is there, one item will come. What is that item? If it is full settlement,
50,000.
okay, if full settlement is there, discount will come. But in this case, only cash paid, no full settlement. Okay, so cash paid, paid to Himani 20,000. So what is the effect, Femina? Cash paid to Himani. Cash paid, so cash minus 20,000. Then Himani. So liability decrease or capital decrease? Capital or creditor? Cash paid to Himani. Already we wrote purchased goods from Himani. Third transaction 50,000. From that 50,000 we given 20,000. So minus 20,000 from where? Liability. Okay, creditor. Okay, so next, last one, cash received from Ashu. So first you have to look who is Ashu. Already we sold goods to Ashu, our debtor. So cash received from Ashu. Hadi Aman, turn on your video. Aditya, turn on your video. Next, cash received from Ashu. Shubham, you tell. Cash received from Ashu.
Cash plus.
Very good. Cash plus. Then
Capital plus.
what?
Capital plus.
Cash received from Ashu. Who is Ashu? Debtor or creditor? Debtor. So from debtor, we have to minus. One thing you have to remember, if paid cash to creditor means cash and creditor affected. From creditor you have to minus. If cash received from Ashu, debtor, so debtor minus. Everything minus only from that person. paid cash to Himani. Cash minus because cash paid. Then creditor minus. Then cash received from Ashu, cash plus we received. Then debtor minus. After that we will get remaining amount only. Because already sold goods to Ashu, that which one? 36,000. Out of that we received 30,000. Not full settlement. So now 6,000 only will get remaining. So like that only creditor, we have to pay 50,000. Out of that we given 20,000. Remaining we have to pay 30,000. So our liability decrease, here our debtor will decrease. Clear? So now find the account equation. Find account equation. Tell the answer.
Six lakh 15,000.
6,15,000. Very good. Account equation 6,15,000. Accounting equation. $6,15,000. Now, seventh question, you can do that, you do the homework. So in that, one transaction is there, cash deposited into bank. Is there? Cash deposited into bank. Okay. So where it will come? Cash plus or minus? Anyone? Cash deposited into bank. Tomlin, cash? Cash deposited. You deposited cash into bank. So your cash?
Minus.
Minus. Then bank is asset or liability?
Liability.
Liability. If you have a deposit in the bank.
Debt. Asset.
Okay. So if you have a liability means, so next, so cash minus plus bank, both asset only, so is equal to 0. Next, suppose cash withdrawn from bank. Cash withdrawn from bank. Anyone? Karthik, cash withdrawn from bank. So
Cash
cash
plus
bank.
minus.
Correct. So now we will do the 8th question. So 7th question, do homework. Now 8th question, then send it to me through WhatsApp. Okay. So 8th, Manoj started business with the cash, with the goods, with building. Manoj started business with cash, goods, and building. Femina, Tell. Cash, goods, building. So
Cash plus
cash plus 2,30,000. Cash plus
goods
goods.
minus
1 minute, 1 minute. Goods. Goods. Femina. Minus. How minus? Building your asset or liability.
asset
If you are telling it is liability means you have one house, no? Building. So if it is your liability means
asset
asset. Okay. So plus 2 lakh. That is building is equal to where will come?
capital
Yes, correct. 5,30,000. Correct. He purchased goods for cash. Second one, purchased goods for cash. Purchased goods for cash, 50,000. Anila purchased goods for cash. So cash plus or minus. Anila purchased goods for cash. Suppose you purchased goods for cash. So your cash
Minus.
plus or minus?
Minus.
Correct. Minus 50,000. Then goods plus or minus? Anila?
Plus.
Correct. Plus 50,000 is equal to 0.
0.
Correct. Very good. Next, sold goods costing rupees 20,000 for rupees 35,000. Sold goods costing rupees 20,000 for rupees 35,000. Hanna, sold goods costing rupees. So whether it is cash sale or credit sale, Hanna, correct, cash sale, because no name is given, that is cash sale. Now you tell, sold goods for cash costing 20 for rupees 35,000. I can't hear. So Basil, tell.
Sir, goods minus
Goods minus amount.
sir 20,000.
Correct. Correct. Goods. Next. It is
Sir.
cash. Sold goods for cash. So Basil.
Profit.
No, profit. Profit 15,000. That is correct. Next. Sold goods costing rupees 20,000 for rupees 35,000. So Basil,
Plus 35,000.
no, let's not. Who? Aparna?
Yes, sir.
Where? Now 35,000.
Sir, cash is 35,000.
Correct. 35,000 cash. Okay, cash, goods, capital. So if it is on credit, if the person name is given, instead of cash, you have to write here 35,000. Debtor. Okay, if it is credit, here it is cash. Next, purchased goods from Rahul. Purchased goods from Rahul. Purchased goods from Rahul. Purchased goods from Rahul. Aditya, purchased goods from Rahul. Amount is 55,000. Aditya, purchased goods from Rahul. Whether it is cash or credit, if it is name, it is credit. Okay, so purchased goods from Rahul, where it will come? First, purchased goods. So goods.
Liability.
What? Goods. 55,000. Then Rahul is debtor or creditor? Creditor. So 55,000. Okay, purchased goods from Rahul. Next, sold goods to Varun, costing rupees 52,000 for rupees 60,000. Okay, sold goods to Varun. Adul, tell me the answer. Sold goods to Varun, costing rupees 52,000 for rupees 60,000.
Goods minus 50,000. 52,000.
Goods 52,000 minus.
Debtor 60,000.
Very good. Debtor 60,000. Then is equal to unmute.
Debtor 8,000.
Profit 8,000.
Profit.
Okay, profit 8,000. Very good. Okay, sold goods to Varun. It is credit sale because name it is given Varun. So goods minus, then debtor will increase. Profit is 8,000. Next, paid cash to Rahul. Paid cash to Rahul in full settlement. Full settlement. Paid cash to Rahul in full settlement. 53,000. 53,000. So first, if you see that paid in full settlement, if you see, you have to look Rahul amount, how much? Rahul amount, liability, 55,000. But now we given how much amount only? 53,000. 53,000 only we given. So there will be, so if you pay cash, we will get a discount. So anyone? 53,000.
2,000
Yes, cash minus how much? 53
3,000.
cash paid. Our liability, how much will decrease? 55 or 53?
55,000.
Correct, 55,000. Then discount is 2,000. So minus 53,000 is equal to minus 53,000. Okay. So remaining transaction you can do. So one homework is there. Then from 7 to 15th you have to do. Okay. Then after completing, you send it to me. Okay. So if you have any doubt related to account equation, you can call me. So tomorrow we will start. Next class we will start journal. Okay. Have a nice day.